Hey guys, in today's video, we will discuss the best 6 products and what you should look out for before purchasing a new one. We have ranked the products according to their performance, price, durability, and more. Please head forward to the description to know more about it and its latest pricing if you want to know more. Le Creuset 10.25. What you get here is a large 11.75-inch cast iron skillet that is ideal for cooking for several people at once. Yes, it is quite large and quite heavy too. That said, although it is heavy as far as cast iron is concerned, it's actually somewhat lightweight. Like the other products we have looked at today, this one is also made with high-quality cast iron. The cast iron is so durable that you can do pretty much anything to it without risking damage. You can even use it in an oven up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. What's impressive is that this product is compatible with all types of cooktops, even induction cooktops. You also get a black satin interior enamel coating. This allows for great heat distribution, plus it acts as a non-stick surface. You don't need nearly as much oil, and your food won't stick to it. Not only does this make cooking healthier, but it also makes cleanup time easier. Cleaning that enamel surface is about as easy as it gets. Just beware that you shouldn't use metal cooking utensils, as you might damage the surface. Lodge Bold. The Lodge Bold 12-inch seasoned cast iron skillet is a design-forward cookware item that combines style with exceptional cooking performance. Made from durable cast iron, this skillet ensures superior heat retention and even heat distribution, resulting in perfectly cooked meals. With its 12-inch size, it provides ample cooking space for a variety of dishes, from searing meats to sautéing vegetables. The skillet comes pre-seasoned, which means it has a natural non-stick surface that improves with each use. This makes it perfect for cooking delicate foods and prevents sticking. The skillet's design-forward approach adds a modern touch to traditional cast iron cookware. Its bold aesthetic and sleek lines make it an attractive addition to any kitchen. The sturdy handle allows for easy maneuvering and pouring. The Lodge Bold 12-inch seasoned cast iron skillets is a versatile tool that can be used on all stovetops, ovens, grills, and even over campfires. Its durability and timeless design ensure that it will be a cherished kitchen staple for years to come. Backcountry Iron. The Backcountry Iron 10.14-inch smooth Wasatch pre-seasoned round cast iron skillet is a high-quality cookware item designed for exceptional cooking performance. Made from durable cast iron, this skillet offers excellent heat retention and even heat distribution, ensuring consistent and delicious meals. The Wasatch skillet's design showcases a classic round shape with a comfortable handle for easy maneuvering. Its sturdy construction allows it to be used on various heat sources, including stovetops, ovens, grills, and campfires. The Backcountry Iron 10.14-inch smooth Wasatch pre-seasoned round cast iron skillet is a reliable and durable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're a professional chef or a cooking enthusiast, this skillet will elevate your culinary skills and provide you with a timeless piece of cookwares that can be passed down through generations. Staub 11-inch. Calling it a great all-around option that can handle almost any job in your kitchen, Blair loves this 11-inch cast iron skillet that's made in France. She reaches for it most frequently because of its versatility. We can use it to whip up everything from pork chops to stir-fry. Graphite is her preferred hue, but you can also go bold with orange, red, or blue. She also likes that this skillet's got literal depth, which only means your cornbread or deep dish pizza has more height. Because cast iron cooks evenly, you end up with thicker versions of your favorite recipes. The 12-inch version is Blair's go-to pan for making her cast iron skillet deep dish pizza, but she says the 11-inch will work just as well. Given that cast irons isn't known for its non-stick quality, this might be something you can easily get past though. The heating abilities of the pans ranked high but almost too high during our steak tests. The ribeyes developed a dark brown, hard crusts that veered on too dark. If we hadn't quickly pulled them off, the pans could have burned the crust. Utopia Kitchen. There's lots to like about this pre-seasoned pan and not least the price. It's very competitive for a skillet that performs consistently well and garners pretty enthusiastic reviews. A key benefit is that it is sturdy, rustically attractive product in terms of its looks. It nevertheless has those all-important features of a large and prettily butterfly-stamped helper handle and double spout. The Utopia Kitchen cast iron 12.5-inch skillet can handle baked egg tortillas, steaks, chops, whatever you care to throw at it. And because it hasn't cost you the down payment on a car, You might actually be able to relax as it cooks up a campfire dinner. If you're new to cast iron cookware and want an entry-level pan, that will do a great job. The Utopia Kitchen cast iron skillet is a great choice. We recommend reseasoning again after you receive your cast iron skillet. This will ensure the skillet stays non-stick. Lodge Yellowstone. Meet American cookware born for adventures. This special edition, Yellowstone skillet represent the best of American grits, told through stories and around the table. The collectible yet functional skillets is cast to last for generations and features an Dutton Ranch steer designs, making it the perfect Yellowstone gift. Put American cast iron to work in your home and keep authentically good food in the family. Yellowstone is quality and authenticity, as seen in its episodes. Yellowstone is a world of clothes, homes, tools, vehicles, and workspaces that are well-worn yet built to last, just like its characters. Bring a little bit of Yellowstone into your kitchen this season with this distinctive piece that's both functional and collectible. This design is crafted in America with just iron and oil. The skillet's naturally seasoned cooking surface is ready to layer flavors, so you can cook delightful meals to share. Seasoned and ready to use. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and kindly hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.